Alright, so first you gotta go open up Settings and then scroll down to General. In General you can find Accessibility, and then under Accessibility there's a section called Speech. Click on the Speak Screen toggle, and then if you want to, you can choose voices, different languages. I have it selected on Siri male right now, but you can download other voices, different accents. Siri female I think is default, and then you can back out of that, exit out of settings, and then once you go back into your Kindle app or any app with text, you can just two-finger swipe from the top of your phone, and if you want to hit the little caret, you can minimize it while you're reading. If you hit the rabbit, it goes, the reading speed is faster. If you hit the turtle, it's slower. You can also pause it or X out.